Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a memory upgrade that could breathe new life into your MSI laptop. The ATEC 32GB, 2x16GB, DDR4 2666 MHz SODIMM kit. Specifically designed for a range of MSI models like the G62VR7RF Apache Pro, G63 Raider RGB 8RF, GP62, 7R Leopard Pro, GS63, 7R Stealth, Nightblade MI2, and WS60, 7RJ. This kit promises to boost performance and enhance your overall computing experience. Let's talk specs. This is a 32GB kit, comprised of two 16GB modules. It operates at a speed of 2,666 MHz, which falls under the PC 4-21300 standard. Being a DDR4 SODIMM, it's the perfect form factor for laptops and all-in-one computers. It's also non-ECC unbuffered memory, running at the standard DDR4 voltage of 1.2V. But what does all this technical jargon mean for you? Simply put, upgrading your RAM is one of the most effective ways to improve your system's responsiveness. More RAM allows your computer to handle more tasks simultaneously without slowing down. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or someone who juggles multiple applications at once, this upgrade can make a noticeable difference. The ATEC kit aims to improve performance by expanding your system's memory capacity. This allows your system to take on more while maintaining a fast and smooth experience. Installation is designed to be quick and easy. ATEC emphasizes that no special expertise is required. Of course, it's always a good idea to consult your system's manual for specific instructions on seating and channel configurations. ATEC also stands behind their product with a limited lifetime warranty. This provides peace of mind, knowing that you're covered in case of any issues. They also have a tech team available to assist with any questions or concerns you might have, both before and after your purchase. In conclusion, the ATEC 32GB DDR4 RAM kit appears to be a solid option for those looking to upgrade the memory in their compatible MSI laptops. With its straightforward installation, performance-enhancing capabilities, and ATEC's warranty, it's definitely worth considering if you're looking to give your system a boost.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.